Did you know that you can shop for Mary Kay products right from your phone? With the Mary Kay app, you can find your favorite products and place orders with your independent beauty consultant from the palm of your hand. Don't have a consultant? The app can help with that too. Here are the 6 most important things to know about the Mary Kay app. Once you've downloaded the app from your phone's app store, connect with your independent beauty consultant. Or you can search for one in your area. It's so easy to connect with your consultant through the app, or even set up an appointment for a consultation. Next, you'll want to log into your Mary Kay account that you use to purchase through your independent beauty consultant's personal website, or register if you don't already have an account. Be sure that you have app notifications turned on to be alerted about new product launches or promotions. Then you can fill out your beauty profile. Your beauty profile will help determine the best products for you, and you'll get customized recommendations based on your skin's needs and your preferences. You can always find these products in the Recommendations tab under My MK. One of the most helpful features of the app is the Order of Application section. Click Build Your Routine and add items that you want to use. The app will show what order to use those products, how often to use them, and if you should use in the morning, evening, or both. It's easy to edit your routine, which really comes in handy when trying a new product. Add products that you love or want to save for later to your wish list. You can even share your wish list via text or email. Share your wish list with your friends or family for effortless shopping, or with your independent beauty consultant if you want more information. If you want to shop for yourself, checkout is easy. Add items to your shopping bag and click the bag when you're ready to check out. At checkout, you can even select how you want your items delivered and submit your order securely. Once you have entered your information, the app will securely store your details for faster checkout next time. The Mary Kay app is the easiest, most convenient way to shop and connect with your independent beauty consultant while you're on the go. And the positive reviews are rolling in. If you enjoy using the app too, click over to your app store and leave us a 5-star review. Happy shopping! If you enjoyed watching, check out some of these other videos you may like.